Installing FastMaint Web. If other users from other computers will also use the software, please log in as a Windows System Administrator and run the software installer. Please read the license agreement and accept it. Then click Next. This brings up the README file. This has useful information about the installation, especially if you are upgrading the software. Read this and click Next. We will accept the default installation options and proceed through the remaining screens. Click the Install button to start the installation. Let it complete. Click Finish to start FastMaint so that you can set it up. This brings up the built-in web server screen. If only you are doing an evaluation, you can click on the Start button and begin using the software with the defaults. Otherwise, click on the Setup button and make changes as needed. You can specify if you want to use an external SQL Server database, and so on. Click Save and accept your changes. If you are just doing an evaluation, you can click on the Start button to start the built-in web server. If this is a production system or an evaluation involving many others on their computers, you should run FastMaint Web under Microsoft Internet Information Server, IIS, and not with the built-in web server, which gets shut down when you log out. Please visit the support section in our website and search the knowledge base using the keyword IIS to find an article with detailed steps on how to set it up. Here we click the Start button to start the built-in web server. You may get warnings from the Windows firewall. Confirm that you want FastMaint Web to run. It may take a minute or two to start up. We open the web browser window to the login page for FastMaint Web. The initial login page shows the main administrator account without a password. Click Submit. You can set a password for the administrator account, Admin. Enter a password of between 6 to 10 characters containing only regular letters or digits. Or click Quit to exit and set it at another time. Read the license agreement and click Yes to accept it. Now you will do some initial settings. Check off Create a Demo Database. If you are learning to use the system, the test data will be useful to learn the system and follow the tutorials. You can also enter any prefixes you want for the automatically generated work order, work request, and purchase order numbers, as well as starting numbers. Click on the Main tab and enter your administrator contact information that will be shown to other users. You can click on the other tabs to enter any settings at this time. Or you can come back at a later time to make those changes. Only settings on the Initial Settings tab cannot be changed later on. For now, we click Save. This brings up the welcome screen. Please read it carefully. It is a good idea to sign up for the Get Tips by email, since you will get several useful tips on using FastMaint. Click on the Online Demos or Tutorials to open a new web browser window to the Quick Start Videos section on our website. You can review some of the useful videos here to learn how to use FastMaint. For now, we click on the Quit button. This takes us to the home page. Click on the Main tab to access different items, for example, Equipment. If you created a demo database, some demo items will be shown. At any point in the future, you can click on the Administration tab on the home page and select System Configuration to bring up the Application Settings screen where you can enter email account information, work order settings, and so on. In the Administration tab, click on Update License to enter your license details if you have purchased the software and wish to convert the trial to the full version. On any screen, you can click on the Help button to get help on a page. This completes the installation process.